Boredom. We all experience it, that restless feeling, that urge to scroll endlessly through social media. It's a trap. Time slips away. We accomplish nothing. We feel even more drained and dissatisfied. But what if we could transform boredom? What if we could turn it into a catalyst for growth and productivity? Good news, we can. It's time to ditch the unproductive habits. Let's explore how to turn those blah moments into opportunities for self-improvement. Get ready to embrace the power of productive boredom. We can choose a different path. We can choose to be active participants in our lives. Let's get started. Our first stop, physical challenges. These activities are designed to invigorate both your body and mind, giving you a fresh burst of energy and a sense of purpose. These are not about becoming Olympic athletes overnight. They're about injecting energy and purpose into our day. Small, consistent efforts can lead to big changes over time. Challenge number 1, the speed cleaning sprint. Set a timer for half your usual cleaning time. Crank up the music. Suddenly it's not chores, it's a game. You'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish. Plus, the upbeat music will keep you motivated and make the task more enjoyable. Bonus decision-making skills get a workout as you prioritize tasks on the fly. This not only helps in cleaning, but also sharpens your mind for other daily activities. Challenge number 2, the Go Walk Adventure. Pick a destination you've never been to or rarely visit. Walk there, listen to a podcast or audiobook. Make it a learning journey. This way, you're not just exercising your body, but also feeding your mind with new information. See a park bench, do some push-ups. Incorporate small exercises into your walk to keep your body engaged. Document your adventure with photos. Capture the beauty around you and create memories of your journey. You'll return home energized with new knowledge and a sense of accomplishment. The combination of physical activity and mental stimulation is incredibly rewarding. These physical challenges are like hitting the refresh button. They clear your head, boost your energy, and make you feel accomplished. Embrace these small changes and watch how they transform your daily routine. Let's move on to mental workouts. Just like physical exercise keeps your body fit, mental workouts are essential for a healthy mind. These are about flexing those cognitive muscles, keeping your brain active and engaged, and gaining valuable insights about ourselves. One powerful exercise is journaling. It helps in organizing thoughts and reflecting on experiences. Divide a page in half. This simple act can lead to profound self-discovery. Label one side weaknesses and the other strengths. Be honest with yourself. Analyze the lists. This helps in identifying areas for growth. Do your strengths outweigh your weaknesses? What areas need improvement? This reflection is crucial for personal development. This exercise is like holding up a mirror to your inner self, revealing truths you might not have noticed. Another mental workout is engaging in puzzles and games. These activities challenge your brain in different ways. Chess, Sudoku, jigsaw puzzles, Lego building. Anything that requires problem solving and strategic thinking can be beneficial. These activities are not just fun, they are brain boosters. They stimulate different parts of your brain. They improve memory, concentration, and critical thinking. Regular practice can lead to significant cognitive benefits. These mental workouts are like sharpening a knife. The more you practice, the sharper your mind becomes. They keep your mind sharp, focused, and ready to tackle any challenge. So make mental workouts a part of your daily routine. Section 4, Financial Fitness, Turn Boredom into Profit. Now let's talk finances. When boredom strikes, it can be tempting to waste time on unproductive activities. But what if you could turn that idle time into a profitable venture? Boredom can actually be an opportunity to improve our financial well-being. Instead of scrolling through social media or binge-watching shows, consider using that time to boost your financial fitness. First up, declutter and sell. Take a look around your home and identify items you no longer use or need. We all have things we no longer use or need. These items can be turned into cash rather than collecting dust. Selling them online or at a consignment shop can bring in extra cash. Platforms like eBay, Craigslist, and Facebook Marketplace make it easy to reach potential buyers. Plus, it hones valuable skills: photography, writing compelling descriptions, researching market value, and negotiating. These skills can be useful in various aspects of life. Another financial fitness activity: investment research. Use your free time to learn about the world of investments. Learn about different investment options. Stocks, bonds, crypto, real estate, each has its own risks and rewards. There are tons of free resources available online. Websites, YouTube channels, and online courses can provide valuable insights. Start by setting up a mock portfolio. This allows you to practice without any financial risk. Practice making investment decisions based on your research. Track your progress and learn from your mistakes. These activities turn boredom into a chance to learn, earn, and gain financial savvy. By making the most of your free time, you can improve your financial situation and develop new skills. Section 5. The power of productive boredom. Boredom doesn't have to be an enemy. We can choose to see it as an invitation, a chance to engage in activities that benefit our minds, bodies, and bank accounts. By incorporating physical challenges, mental workouts, and financial fitness activities into our lives, we transform those blah moments into stepping stones for growth. So the next time boredom strikes, don't reach for your phone. Reach for a challenge. Reach for an opportunity. Embrace the power of productive boredom. Your future self will thank you.